It sounded like someone knocking at the door.
A pulsar is a highly magnetized, rotating neutron star that emits a beam of electromagnetic radiation. The first pulsar was observed on November 28, 1967, with the help of telescopes. The most astounding fact is that this star was described 1400 years ago, in the Quran. In the 86th chapter of the Holy Quran, Allah describes a star named Tariq. Allah calls this star Tariq, and calls it the star of piercing brightness. Now if we look at the pictures of the pulsar, we can clearly see a piercing light through the star.